I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Yardmaster 120-foot extension cord. So this is a light-duty extension cord. That means that it can handle current up to 10 amps. So that's for things like holiday lights, for an outside grill, if you need to be running, lights and things around the yard. This is a really good extension cord for those kinds of light-duty tasks. If you're using a really powerful, power tool or something, then it's probably not going to work as well for that. But for light-duty tasks, again, it's a great fit. It is a two-prong cord, so let's trace this all the way to the end. So here we go. I've got it plugged into an inverter here. You can see it's a two-prong cord, so if you do need 3 prongs, then this wouldn't work for that. But if you just need a 2-prong, again, for very simple applications, then this is a great cord for that. It is designed to be used outdoors, so it is waterproof, and you can run it, and keep it outside. Just make sure that the ends here are not getting wet. You can see it's super long. I'm using it here to run power in from a little solar array that I built, and the cord follows all the way along here, and it's 120 feet. Is quite a long power cord. I like that the color is this kind of lime green. It's definitely visible, so if you're running it around the yard, people will be able to see it, and you'll be able to see it if you're mowing or something. Obviously be careful, but I think that's nice. And also it's very flexible, so it's not very rigid. Sometimes I don't like how extension cords can be really rigid and they can knot up. This one, because again it is light duty, is nice and flexible, and it's easy to route it around things, as I've done here, and through little holes and that kind of thing, to keep it contained as you're using it in your backyard. So just a really good, super long, 120 feet is quite long, extension cord. Goes all the way from my yard back into my garage, and it's great for those kinds of light duty applications.